Saag beside me. We are trying to start at Damascus at the Magruder Trail, and we lost. We keep going back and forth until we found this trail. It's a paved trail. It is frustrating because we have to bushwhack a little bit, cross the stream 4 times when it was not there. I don't remember doing it. The last 2 times I did some years back. Okay, so well, that's the experience today.
Nahinumduman ako kaning trail sige ni namo og bakta sa una katong diri pa mi nagpuyo sa Damascus.
Nice, diba? Easy trail, the Magruder Branch Trail from Damascus to I think Watkins ang among ang pick-up point today. That's about 4 miles. Grateful for the life God has given me. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Look at that view. So beautiful. I want to show this trail to myself when I get old, that I am enjoying my 64th year with Azzy hiking. But of course, those are just one of those things that I enjoy in life and be grateful to the Lord.
Kay the fact nga maka-hike ko daghan kog oras nga spend para lang sa akong kaugalingon is already a big blessing. 2 days lang ko mo trabaho, and then the rest of the week I could actually spend just exercising. So yes Lord, thank you kaayo sa imong pag-bless ako ang kinabuhi hangtod karon nga tigulang nako. O even sa paghatag ka nako kang Azzy Lord nga para mahimo na akong hiking body is a big blessing. Kay si Rick human sa iyang operasyon, mas maayo nga dili na lang siya mag-hike kauban ako, and you have given me Azzy para dili ko mag-inusara, dili ko mingawon samtang nagabaktas ang nagahimo sa ako ang mga exercises.
Azzy, let's go. Let's go, Az. We are on the Magruder Branch Trail. Nice, diba? Easy trail, the Magruder Branch Trail from Damascus to I think Watkins ang among ang pick-up point today. That's about 4 miles. Grateful for the life God has given me. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Look at that view. So beautiful. hope you will enjoy this when you get old and watch your hikes.
At least with this video, you will be reminded nga kaya di ay ninimo himuon sa una. Ikaw lang isa nagalakaw o nya karon na ana si Azi. Nya enjoy, right? Murag ka nang walay ikabutangan sa dapat imong mga pasalamat sa Ginoo sa pag-bless sa imong kinabuhi. Di ka katuo nga hatagan ka ing ani nga blessings ni Lord. Kay kung imong mahinomduman sa una, ang imo yung kahadlukan, ang kanang matigulang ka nga dili ka maka-afford to take care of yourself o mahadlok ka nga magutom. Pero God has really blessed you. And mauna nga He is worthy of all your praise. Amen.